again. Hi guys, welcome to Raven Channel. This is SMP Ramazan. Today we're gonna go to the doctor. Look at me, I look like a princess. I'm so beautiful. My mother's a princess also. My mother's beautiful. We are princess. We are princess. First, I put eyebrow powder, and about blush on, and about the lipstick. What are all these things? It's my dear superhero night because she loves to put makeup also. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel just now. If you like this video, give us a big huge thumbs up. And please hit the red button to subscribe to the channel. So please make up in your road. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Mwah! Jojo.